Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy FUEL token on Binance Alpha. As you know, FUEL just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps, then go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search FUEL, search it, and you will see FUEL on Alpha here. You can click it. And then this is the chart. Not looking good, but yeah. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. Also, you can see the audit here. Then if you want to buy it, you can simply click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant buy or limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.